So we've all been there before. We've walked through supermarkets, we've walked through grocery stores, and we've all experienced people walking down the aisles coughing, not even covering their mouth or barely covering it with their hand, attempting it into their elbow. These don't work. One method that can actually help slow the spread of any virus, including the one we're all concerned with now, if you feel like you have to cough, simply just grab your shirt, pull it out, cover your nose and your mouth, and cough. Thus keeping the cough to yourself. It can't spread. If it does, it wouldn't be as much as without covering your mouth. With your hand, all you're doing is progressing it, and then you're touching stuff. If you're coughing into your shirt, you're missing half of the droplets. Cough into your shirt and spare the other people around you. This is about protecting others from getting, whether you have a virus or whether you're sick or healthy, every cough, every sneeze should be done down into your shirt. I'll be coming up with more helpful hints. One, when you use the public restrooms, use the paper towels to, after drying your hands, use them to open the door handles, throw it in the waste paper basket. Several hints that will be coming up in future videos.